The desktop team has come to you and said they have a printer that's not printing. They're not even seeing the print jobs getting to the print queue. You take a capture on a workstation and test printing to this printer. So let's take a look at that now. We know the IP of the printer, so we use this filter. ip.addr equals 192.168.1.129. At the top of this capture, we see the three-way handshake. SYN, SYNAC, ACK. The PC is talking to the printer, but we see a lot of packets, and what we really want to see is the data. We could filter for the data packets by adding and frame.len greater than 60. This will show us all the packets with a length over 60. But there's another filter we could use that's even cleaner than that one. I think it's pretty slick. This is one of those filters that once you know it, you'll probably use it all the time. So let's add and data. That's it. Just add and data to the end of our IP address filter. And this will show us only the packets that have data in them. So with that filter, we go from 110 packets down to 38. And look at the length. They've all got data in them, and we're not showing any of the TCP housekeeping packets. This really looks like a print job, and if it's not, we've got a whole other problem here. Let's check by right-clicking one of those larger packets and clicking Follow TCP Stream. That pulls all the data from those packets into one window. And here it is, the exact print job our PC sent to the printer. So here's what we see. Steady two-way traffic the whole time, and our PC does send the print job to the printer. Let's close the TCP stream and jump to the end of the capture. There aren't any TCP resets, which means neither side is trying to slam the connection closed. I don't even see any retransmissions. The printer's getting the data cleanly and the PC isn't resending. Many times this is where problems jump out, but here, nothing. Everything looks solid. So why isn't it printing? At this point, the network checks out. So we hand it back to the desktop team with a screenshot of the print job, letting them know that the printer is receiving the data, it's just not printing. But if the network isn't the problem, then what is? They come back later with the answer. The real problem was the driver. Someone had installed the wrong one. And that's printers for you. Sometimes they're a real pain. Now let's compare a capture from when the printer does work. It looks almost identical. The data's there, no resets, and the connection closes normally. That's part of our job. It's not just proving it's not the network, but gathering enough evidence to point the right team in the right direction. We try to give them what they need to actually solve the problem. This helps us too. If we just say the network's fine, it leaves room for doubt. But if we show a screenshot of the print job and the packet capture, it's a lot harder to argue with that. Want more Wireshark troubleshooting videos? Try one of these.